Part 1. You will hear a telephone conversation between a holiday lettings agent and a man who is looking to rent an apartment. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5.
Good morning, Bayside Holiday Lettings. This is Claire speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, Claire. I'm looking to book a self-catering apartment for a holiday next month, and I was hoping you could help me find something suitable.
I'd be delighted to help. I just need to take a few details to create a profile for you. Could I start with your full name?
Yes, it's Marcus Freeburg.
Is your surname spelled Freyburg?
It sounds like it, but the first vowel is actually an I, so it's Frieburg.
Excellent, thank you. And what is the best telephone number to reach you on?
My mobile is usually best, which is 07745 322. Oh, wait, I actually lost my mobile on the train yesterday, and I'm waiting for a replacement. You'd better take my direct work line instead. It's 01632 960 445.
I've updated the contact preference. Now, let's talk about your trip. How long were you planning to stay with us?
Well, originally I wanted to come down for a full 10 days, but my boss wouldn't approve the extended leave, so I only have a week off in total. Taking travel time into account, I'll need accommodation for exactly 7 nights.
That's a very common duration. Now, do you have any specific requirements for the apartment? A lot of our guests request a washing machine or a sea view.
I don't mind doing my laundry at a local laundromat, so that's not an issue. My absolute deal breaker is the kitchen setup. I love cooking, but I refuse to stand at the sink scrubbing plates on my holiday, so a dishwasher is mandatory.
I completely understand. I will filter the search for properties with fully equipped kitchens. And what about the location? Did you want to be right in the city center?
The city center is far too noisy for me. I'd prefer to be a bit further out. My wife loves looking at the boats, so if you have anything situated close to the marina, that would be ideal.
Let me just run those parameters through our system.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10. Now listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
Okay, Marcus, I have a fantastic option that ticks all your boxes. It's called the Ocean Apartment. It's located just a 2-minute walk from the boats.
That sounds promising. What is the exact address so I can look it up on the map later?
It's located at 42 Forster Road.
Could you spell the street name for me?
Certainly. It's Forster.
Thank you. And what makes this apartment stand out? Does it have a garden?
It doesn't have a lawn as it's on the first floor. However, instead of just a tiny Juliet balcony, it boasts a remarkably large terrace at the back, complete with sun loungers and a dining table.
Ah, that sounds absolutely perfect for evening meals. Now, regarding the cost, I know some agencies charge extra for utilities like electricity and water at the end of the stay.
We don't have any hidden fees like that. The total price you see covers all your gas and electricity. Furthermore, you don't need to worry about purchasing a separate policy for accidental damage, as basic insurance is automatically provided as part of the package.
That is very reassuring. So what is the next step to secure the booking?
The total cost for the week is £850. To lock in the dates, we usually require a 50% deposit up front. However, we are running a summer promotion right now, so you only need to pay a flat fee of £250 today. The remaining balance isn't due until 2 weeks before you arrive.
£250 today? Yes, I can do that. I have my credit card ready.
Brilliant. Before I take the card details, let me generate your unique booking code. You will need this if you need to call us back to make any changes.
Okay, I have a pen.
Your reference is YWS742N for November.
Excellent. Let's proceed with the payment.
That is the end of part 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers.